Struggling to get your SoundCloud music onto your Namecheap site? Here's the exact 4-click method to connect them instantly. No coding, no complicated widgets, just a straight shot from your Namecheap editor to your SoundCloud library. Your website is probably feeling a little quiet right now, and you know it needs that music to feel complete. Let's fix that. We'll walk through opening your site editor, finding the SoundCloud option, and authorizing the connection. Let's go. So start by opening up your website in the Namecheap builder. If you're already logged into your Namecheap account, you'll want to navigate to the Hero Website Builder section. Find the site you want to edit and go ahead and open it. This is where all the magic happens, right inside their built-in editor. Don't worry if things look a little busy at first. You're looking for the main editing interface, where you can drag and drop everything. Now, this is where a lot of people get stuck, but it's actually really straightforward. Look at the sidebar on the left side of your screen. You'll see a section that's highlighted, or maybe it's just a bit more prominent than the rest. It might say something like Ad Block or Integrations. That's your target. Go ahead and click on that highlighted area. This is the gateway to all the extra features you can add to your site, including SoundCloud. Namecheap has built this right into their platform, so you know it's legit. You don't need to search for third-party plugins or anything sketchy. Once that section opens up, you're going to see a list of different services you can connect. You might see things like a contact form, Google Maps, maybe social media links. And right there in that list, you'll find SoundCloud. Give it a click. It's usually labeled just as SoundCloud with its familiar orange logo. This is the part where everything starts to come together. And here's the really important thing. Because this walkthrough comes straight from Namecheap's own platform, you can trust that this integration is fully supported. It's not some hacky workaround. It's built to work. After you click on SoundCloud, you'll see a button that says Continue. Click that. This is going to take you off to SoundCloud's side of things for a moment. A new window or pop-up might appear asking you to log into your SoundCloud account if you aren't already signed in. Go ahead and do that. Then you'll be asked to authorize the connection, basically telling SoundCloud, hey, it's okay for Namecheap to grab my music. Click the Connect or Authorize button. This might take a moment to process. Give it a few seconds. Now, once you've authorized it, you'll be bounced right back to your Namecheap editor. And here's where you get to see the payoff. Look at your site preview. Your SoundCloud tracks should now be appearing right there on your page, ready for visitors to play. You might need to adjust the placement or the size a bit, but the hard part is done. Double-check that it's showing the right tracks or playlist. If everything looks good, you're all set. And that's it. Seriously, 4 clicks and your music is live on your site. Your website just went from feeling a little empty to feeling fully professional. If you run into any issues, just backtrack through these steps and make sure each connection was authorized properly. Now, go ahead and share your sound with the world. You've earned it.